Hello, in today's video I will be showing you how to make this lighted Christmas signage. You will need a wooden board or palette, paintbrush, stain or varnish, chalk, markers, power gel, and a strand of Christmas lights. I'm using a leftover wooden shelf, but you can find these wooden boards at Michael's or at an art store. I stained it with a gray with a bit of blue undertones, but you can paint it white or leave it as a clear varnish. I am not recommending the stain that I am using because it has a strong odor and it takes too long to dry. I'm also going to do the back side of this plank and get all the crevices. Once the paint is dried, I print the first verse of Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas and lay out my lines of text. Center all the words to fit within the slat and make sure it's parallel with the sign and not tilted. Using a regular piece of chalk, I scribble the chalk all over the back side of the printed word. I recommend that you do one word at a time so the chalk doesn't rub off. I outline the words to get an imprint of chalk onto the wood. I'm using a Pro Sharpie, which are really thick Sharpie pens. First, I outline the letter, then I color in the words. If you plan to display this signage outdoors, then make sure you find a waterproof marker or paint. Depending on the message, you can create this signage for any occasion. I add stars all over my signage with gold and silver Sharpie pens. And now you can see I kind of have a silverish white metallic border. I just outlined it with the silver metallic Sharpie to make the words stand out more. And now I'm taking my lights and I'm kind of measuring them or positioning them, and I'm making brown dots where I want the lights to be drilled. This will help you go quickly when you are drilling. Be sure to drill the hole from the front of the signage. This will give you a cleaner drill hole. If you are using a standard Christmas lights, then you can use a 13/64 size drill bit, which will be tightly snug, or 1/4, which is slightly bigger. You want to have a good fit so the Christmas light bulbs fit snugly into the hole. Start drilling holes where you marked these dots on the signage. You don't have to use every bulb. My strand is really long to use every bulb. You will need some wiggle room with the lights. The strands don't always stretch perfectly from one hole to the next. For example, if you have a strand of 35 lights, then you may only want to drill 20 holes. Insert the bulbs into the drilled hole from the back. You can see the light bulbs are barely poking through on the front of the sign. Secure the light strand from the back with tape or a stapler. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light this holiday season. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.